Listen to this remix. It's a remix of an old remix, which is a cover of a remix, and a remix of another remix. There are so many remixes, it makes me want another remix. A remix talking about remixing, and then put a persona into this remix. When I posted this remix, a comment appeared about the remix, and it said, "Can I remix this remix?" And I said, "Yes, remix this remix." So many creators of remix, making a remix of my remix. It makes me proud of this remix, and now I'm making another remix. After making this remix, I'll create a playlist of remixes, making other music remixes, which talk about remixing a remix. Thanks for listening to this remix. Maybe I'll remix this remix, a remix about another remix, which already is a remix of another remix. I changed my mind about this remix, wanting to end this remix, and then never make remixes. No more remixes of a remix. Sano has lots of remixes. Please go remix another remix. This remix is already remix, because it is a remix of another remix.